Hi guys. If you can understand English but still struggle to speak smoothly, this video is made for you. This is not a grammar class. This is not a test. This is a real speaking practice session where you will listen, repeat, and build confidence naturally. These sentences are used in daily life in the United States. Simple, clear, useful. You can use these sentences at work, with friends, while traveling, or in everyday conversations. Here's how this video works. First, listen to the sentence carefully. Then pause for a second. Then repeat the sentence out loud, just like me. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. No pressure. Repeat after me. Let's begin. Good morning. How's everything going today? Good morning. How's everything going today? I hope you're having a great start to your day. I hope you're having a great start to your day. How are you feeling right now? How are you feeling right now? I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. What's been keeping you busy lately? What's been keeping you busy lately? I've been working on a few things this week. I've been working on a few things this week. Did you get enough rest last night? Did you get enough rest last night? Not really, but I'll be fine. Not really, but I'll be fine. What time did you wake up today? What time did you wake up today? I woke up a little earlier than usual. I woke up a little earlier than usual. Did you have breakfast yet? Did you have breakfast yet? Yes, I grabbed something quick. Yes, I grabbed something quick. What did you have this morning? What did you have this morning? I just had coffee and some toast. I just had coffee and some toast. Are you heading to work right now? Are you heading to work right now? Yes, I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. How long does it usually take you to get there? How long does it usually take you to get there? It usually takes about 20 minutes. It usually takes about 20 minutes. Do you prefer driving or taking public transportation? Do you prefer driving or taking public transportation? I usually take the train. I usually take the train. Is it crowded during this time? Is it crowded during this time? Sometimes, especially in the morning. Sometimes, especially in the morning. Do you listen to music while traveling? Do you listen to music while traveling? Yes, it helps me relax. Yes, it helps me relax. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? I like something calm and easy. I like something calm and easy. Have you checked your messages today? Have you checked your messages today? Not yet, I'll check them later. Not yet, I'll check them later. Do you have a busy schedule today? Do you have a busy schedule today? Yes, but it's manageable. Yes, but it's manageable. What's the first thing you need to do? What's the first thing you need to do? I need to finish a few tasks. I need to finish a few tasks. Do you work better in the morning or afternoon? Do you work better in the morning or afternoon? I feel more focused in the morning. I feel more focused in the morning. Do you take breaks during work? Do you take breaks during work? Yes, short breaks help a lot. Yes, short breaks help a lot. What do you usually do during breaks? What do you usually do during breaks? I stretch and clear my mind. I stretch and clear my mind. Have you talked to your coworkers today? Have you talked to your coworkers today? Just a quick hello so far. Just a quick hello so far. Do you enjoy working with your team? Do you enjoy working with your team? Yes, everyone is pretty supportive. Yes, everyone is pretty supportive. Is there anything stressful happening right now? Is there anything stressful happening right now? Nothing too serious at the moment. Nothing too serious at the moment. How do you usually handle stress? How do you usually handle stress? I take a deep breath and slow down. I take a deep breath and slow down. Do you plan things ahead of time? Do you plan things ahead of time? Yes, it helps me stay organized. Yes, it helps me stay organized. What are you looking forward to today? What are you looking forward to today? I'm looking forward to finishing early. I'm looking forward to finishing early. Do you have plans after work? Do you have plans after work? I might relax at home. I might relax at home. Do you like spending quiet evenings? Do you like spending quiet evenings? Yes, they help me recharge. Yes, they help me recharge. Do you feel tired by the end of the day? Do you feel tired by the end of the day? Yes, especially after a long day. Yes, especially after a long day. What helps you relax after work? What helps you relax after work? I usually sit quietly for a while. I usually sit quietly for a while. Do you like watching something to unwind? Do you like watching something to unwind? Yes, sometimes I watch short videos. Yes, sometimes I watch short videos. What kind of videos do you enjoy? What kind of videos do you enjoy? I like simple and calm content. I like simple and calm content. Do you cook at home or order food? Do you cook at home or order food? Most days, I cook something easy. Most days, I cook something easy. What do you usually cook on weekdays? What do you usually cook on weekdays? I make quick meals that don't take long. I make quick meals that don't take long. Do you enjoy trying new food? Do you enjoy trying new food? Yes, I like to try new flavors. Yes, I like to try new flavors. Have you eaten out recently? Have you eaten out recently? Not recently, but I'm planning to. Not recently, but I'm planning to. Where do you like to eat when you go out? Where do you like to eat when you go out? I like small places with good reviews. I like small places with good reviews. Do you check reviews before going somewhere? Do you check reviews before going somewhere? Yes, it helps me decide faster. Yes, it helps me decide faster. Do you usually go out alone or with friends? Do you usually go out alone or with friends? It depends on the day. It depends on the day. Do you enjoy quiet time by yourself? Do you enjoy quiet time by yourself? Yes, it helps me clear my head. Yes, it helps me clear my head. Do you talk on the phone often? Do you talk on the phone often? Not too often, mostly short calls. Not too often, mostly short calls. Who do you talk to the most? Who do you talk to the most? Mostly family and close friends. Mostly family and close friends. Do you prefer texting or calling? Do you prefer texting or calling? I prefer texting most of the time. I prefer texting most of the time. Have you sent any messages today? Have you sent any messages today? Yes, just a few quick ones. Yes, just a few quick ones. Do you check your phone before sleeping? Do you check your phone before sleeping? Sometimes, but I try not to. Sometimes, but I try not to. What helps you fall asleep faster? What helps you fall asleep faster? I try to relax and slow down. I try to relax and slow down. Do you wake up easily in the morning? Do you wake up easily in the morning? Not always, but I manage. Not always, but I manage. Do you use an alarm or wake up naturally? Do you use an alarm or wake up naturally? I usually use an alarm. I usually use an alarm. What do you do first after waking up? What do you do first after waking up? I stretch and get ready slowly. I stretch and get ready slowly. Do you check the weather before going out? Do you check the weather before going out? Yes, it helps me plan my day. Yes, it helps me plan my day. Do you like sunny days or cloudy days? Do you like sunny days or cloudy days? I like sunny days more. I like sunny days more. Do you carry an umbrella just in case? Do you carry an umbrella just in case? Sometimes, especially during rainy days. Sometimes, especially during rainy days. Do you usually eat breakfast at home? Do you usually eat breakfast at home? Yes, I like eating at home in the morning. Yes, I like eating at home in the morning. What do you usually have for breakfast? What do you usually have for breakfast? I keep it simple, nothing too heavy. I keep it simple, nothing too heavy. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? I usually start my day with coffee. I usually start my day with coffee. How do you like your coffee? How do you like your coffee? I like it hot and not too strong. I like it hot and not too strong. Do you prepare it yourself or buy it outside? Do you prepare it yourself or buy it outside? Most days, I make it at home. Most days, I make it at home. Do you listen to anything while getting ready? Do you listen to anything while getting ready? Yes, I play something soft in the background. Yes, I play something soft in the background. Do you listen to music or podcasts? Do you listen to music or podcasts? I usually listen to short podcasts. I usually listen to short podcasts. What kind of podcasts do you like? What kind of podcasts do you like? I like calm and useful conversations. I like calm and useful conversations. Do you leave home at the same time every day? Do you leave home at the same time every day? Almost every day, yes. Almost every day, yes. How do you usually travel to work? How do you usually travel to work? I take public transportation most days. I take public transportation most days. Do you like public transportation? Do you like public transportation? It's convenient, but it can get crowded. It's convenient, but it can get crowded. What do you do while traveling? What do you do while traveling? I usually listen and observe people. I usually listen and observe people. Do you notice how people talk around you? Do you notice how people talk around you? Yes, their English is simple and direct. Yes, their English is simple and direct. Do people talk loudly or quietly? Do people talk loudly or quietly? Mostly quietly, especially in the morning. Mostly quietly, especially in the morning. Have you ever started a small conversation with a stranger? Have you ever started a small conversation with a stranger? Sometimes, just a few words. Sometimes, just a few words. What kind of things do people say? What kind of things do people say? They talk about weather or daily plans. They talk about weather or daily plans. Do short conversations feel easy to you? Do short conversations feel easy to you? Yes, they feel natural and relaxed. Yes, they feel natural and relaxed. Do you feel nervous speaking English sometimes? Do you feel nervous speaking English sometimes? A little, but it's getting better. A little, but it's getting better. What helps you feel more confident? What helps you feel more confident? Practice and listening every day helps. Practice and listening every day helps. Do you try to think in English? Do you try to think in English? Yes, I try not to translate. Yes, I try not to translate. Does that make speaking easier? Does that make speaking easier? Yes, it makes a big difference. Yes, it makes a big difference. Do you speak slowly when needed? Do you speak slowly when needed? Yes, and people understand me better. Yes, and people understand me better. Do people usually respond kindly? Do people usually respond kindly? Most people are patient and polite. Most people are patient and polite. Before you go, take a moment and notice something important. You just listened to real English. Not fast, not difficult, not confusing. These were the kinds of sentences people actually use every day in the United States. Short conversations, simple thoughts, clear meaning. If you followed along and repeated the sentences, you did real practice today. That's how confidence grows, not by memorizing rules, but by listening, repeating, and getting comfortable with the sound of English. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep showing up. Come back to this video anytime. Practice again. Speak out loud. Let English feel natural. If this practice helped you, support the channel. Like the video, share it with someone learning English, and subscribe for more slow, clear English practice like this. Now take a deep breath. You're doing better than you think. And you're on the right path.